ShareASale affiliate program, how to get started and make money online. ShareASale is a popular affiliate marketing network that connects you to the affiliate or publisher with thousands of merchants, that is, advertisements offering products and services to promote for a commission. So here's a full guide on how you can get started. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with my Chrome browser. Now here you need to search for ShareASale affiliate sign up. You need to go with the first website, and then you need to go and accept and go with get started, which will be in the top right. Once you go with get started, here you can just simply go and select if you are a publisher or advertiser or agency, and then go with sign up and start signing up. It is important to have an active website or a public social media profile or page that you plan to use for promotion. You can use a branded email address that matches your domain, which can help with the approval process. Secondly, you'll now need to wait for your account approval. After submitting your application and confirming your email, your application will be reviewed. This typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. And then thirdly, you can complete your affiliate profile and payment settings. Log into your new dashboard and update your profile. This is crucial as merchants will review this when you apply to their programs. Include details about your website's traffic, audience, demographics, and your planned promotional methods. Another step in here is to set up your payment details. ShareASale offers payment via direct deposit, that is account deposits, or physical check, which is not PayPal. The default minimum payment threshold is $50, which you can raise if desired. In this way, you'll be able to start ShareASale affiliate program by signing up as an affiliate by using any of your social media account link for quick approval. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.